Okay, today we're going to make candied jalapenos. This right here, I've taken jalapenos and I've taken all the seeds and tops off and I've cut them up into strips. We're going to candy this in simple sugar, which is equal amounts of sugar and water. We're going to boil them down for about an hour and a half and then put them on the drying rack to dry. And these will be eaten just by themselves. And this right here is going to end up being the Cowboy candy. It's also called candied jalapeno. 2/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. We're going to put 2 cups of sugar. There's 1 cup. There's 2 cups. If you want it to be extra spicy, you can add a teaspoon of cayenne. Now you bring up the mixture to a boil. And you want it to start creating syrup. And we're going to add our jalapeno slices into the mixture. And we're going to coat them well. At this point, it doesn't look like there's enough liquid, but as the jalapeno slices reduce, it will add some of its own liquid. And you're going to stir it and let it cook until it starts changing colors. It's going to be about 5 minutes. Once that's done, you're going to get the jars out of the boiling pot where it was being sterilized. We're going to take them out. We're going to divide the jalapeno slices by 4 jars, 4 jelly jars. Then we're going to bring back the syrup and let it reduce a little bit more. Once the syrup has reduced and it's thickened up, then we're going to go back and we'll fill each of the jar up, and you have to leave at least a 1/2 inch of head space. Mine's got closer to 1 inch. Once you divide the liquid by the 4 jars, at that point we'll be ready to wipe the rim and wipe the flats and put the rings on them and set them in the boiling water. We'll boil them for 10 minutes and then they'll be ready to take out and put on a towel to cool, and at that point it will seal and be shelf stable. Now I didn't get pictures, or I didn't take film when I was cooking the other candied jalapenos. However, this is what they ended up looking like. I cooked them for about an hour and a half to the point that it got shriveled up and nice and tender and the sugar saturated. Now I've got it on a baking sheet that's been lined with wax paper and cooling racks on it, and I've just laid them out. I'm going to let them dry for 24 hours and then I'll put them in an airtight container to be used. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you've got any questions. Thanks.